It sees, you see. It hears, you hear. You move, it moves.
Terminating Eyes Simulation 13. Just pixels. The system needs trained on a live candidate. But right now, it might fry any brain we put in it. We don't have a choice. Bring in the POE.
A hostile force. We need to get in there ASAP via Espire.
Attention all personnel. We have reports of a security breach. Hunt down the culprit.
A counterfeit soldier. A puppet for puppets. They left us in the dust. And they'll do the same
Search the area for any intruders. Shoot on sight.
Surround them! Take them down!
Control.
They've locked it! It's all locked up! It's done! We're done!
Get out of the control theater.
HQ. All units, return to your posts.
Colonel Payer's losing blood. I need help now.
No! Save her! She's under there. Ashley, can you hear me?
Critical security breach. Find and eliminate any intruder.
No, Director. The primary operator is still in a coma. Giving eyes full cortex access is too risky.
I understand the risks, but our hands are tied. We have to do this. Dector.
Wait. Poe, can you hear us? It's Colonel Sandra Pyre.
Connections active. Poe, we've got you. Eyes, run a movement test.
Initiating Espire kinematics system. Use your left thumbstick to pilot the Espire unit. Use your right thumbstick.
Movement seems normal, Colonel Pyre.
Then keep investigating the hitch. Any anomaly could slow us down. Poe, it's good to have you back. Access the security system up ahead, near the blast windows.
Bypassing enemy systems.
Up there. The missile will launch from that facility.
And security doors are disabled. Nice one, Eyes.
You don't want to hurt them. How dull. Now you're putting me to sleep.
Puppets for puppets. None without all. None without all.
Movement, all damage repaired. Movement unlocked.
Repairing will drain your unit's charge. Doors are stuck. Use Espire Vision to find a way around. To activate Espire Vision, raise your hand next to your...
Psst. Hide your shiny head.
Poe's not responding. Wait. You're back online.
Primary operator. Cranial analysis complete.
Thanks, Ace. Colonel. Poe's vitals are very different. Should we abort?
I warned Chow about this, but we can't fail. We need to stop the launch. I know you can do this, Poe.
There's a vent on the other side of that fence, but we'll need to use the Espire cradle to reach it. Poe, cradle's primed. New Espire frame is online. If you lose your unit, you'll be able to possess a new one from here. But you and Eyes, your minds are intertwined. Losing a unit could harm you. Plus, they cost a fortune. Enemies ahead. There, through the glass.
Poe, use Espire vision to tag them. Hold the trigger when your hand is next to your head to enable it. Then focus the reticle on an enemy to mark and track their location.
Your repair tool can short-circuit electronic threats, like turrets, trip mines.
Interrogate this soldier.
Get behind them, bring your hand to your mouth, and say, "Put your hands up," out loud.
Be gentle.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Taking what's not yours, are we?
That was our fourth blackout. We need another candidate. The Slam's gonna fire at this rate.
No, we can still win this.
She's all yours. Bear in mind you'll be low.
Movement unlocked.
Another blackout. Poe, try to keep it together.
If you open a backup cradle, you'll find ammunition and weaponry. Addictor Special.
Espire specializes in stealth. Going in loud risks losing your unit and putting the mission in jeopardy. The scale of OPHIS's operations are staggering.
Enough gear here to invade a small country, almost.
That cargo, good. The elevator is on its way down.
Anyone else got in there?
Hostiles on the elevator. Hide!
Right, let's run the briefing again, just in case you need a refresher.
Commencing briefing. Operation 33.
Poe, 2 months ago we received intel on the techno-terrorist network OPHIS. They have turned this base into a fortress, housing an experimental SLAM missile system. The clearest route is via the missile's launch chute. Access it, and follow it down to the silo. Your objective is to then prevent the launch by any means necessary. Remember, you are the Espire Operative.
What? That's never happened before.
Dector! Must be a power outage. Poe, climb out of there. Should be SLAM access through the buildings ahead. Dector, does your AI assistant know what triggered Poe's irregular behavior?
Not yet. ICE hasn't reported any data. Also, she's not an assistant. She's the Espire intelligence system.
Eyes isn't Baker, even if you gave it her voice.
Stand down. Watch your back.
The door needs a keycard.
We've got trip mines ahead. Espire Vision will flag them up. Eyes says the laser grid is connected to a Tango's moving on the floor above. Espire Vision can keep track of him. This is her room.
The OPHIS General, Mara Araba, codename Bull. Eyes peeled for that keycard.
Magnetic signature checks out. Head back to that security door. Watch out. Eyes has detected reinforcements downstairs.
Espire Operative. Mission progress saved.
We need to get down there, but this...
Dector, what's going on? We're not meant to be here yet.
I don't know, Colonel. Everything was running perfectly until Poe started having their blackouts.
Whatever it is, we need to fix it ASAP. Poe, hurry to the launch chamber.
Now that's a missile.
Keep your head, Poe. We'll step you through it.
Up there, those laptops. Eyes says one of them controls the missile.
Get up there.
We are here to stop automation's reign, to break its stranglehold on human civilization.
One down, keep it up.
Nothing will stop this. I'm doing it for you, for all of us. You're blind to the truth. I'm sorry for you.
Bypassing enemy systems. systems. Bypassing enemy systems. Bypassing enemy systems.
Get back to the terminals.
Ah, damn. So close.
All right, wrap it up.
Pausing simulation 33. I can't believe it. Poe's awake. After so long.
But they're barely holding it together, even with your eyes AI.
I know, but OPHIS are nipping at our heels. I'll run some eyes diagnostics on those blackouts.
Good. Poe, I know you're confused, but you've just awoken from a coma during one of our simulation runs. We'll properly debrief you once you're connected to a frame in Marilinga Base.
Reconnecting Poe now.
Depleted.
I'd call that a major success. ICE is feeding your performance report now.
Commencing debriefing. Operation 33.
Sorry for the rude awakening, but there's no time to play catch-up. You're all we've got.
So, this is the infamous Poe.
Poe, this is Franklin Chow, one of Foster Lakeram's directors. We're only here thanks to his efforts and funding.
And I'd rather my efforts didn't go to waste. Let's not pretend that simulation test went smoothly.
Eyes and I are investigating the issue, sir.
Affirmative.
Good. Before we begin, a brief on your situation. Poe, you're officially KIA. You're our off-grid shadow operative for the Espire program. Whatever is said in this room stays in this room.
You couldn't tattle anyway, Poe. You're in pretty bad shape thanks to OPHIS. You'll need to stay in that medical tank over there. Sorry.
You will be piloting Cinder and Sooty, our next-generation remote-controlled infiltration robots.
You're the only one who can fully integrate with Espire and pilot it from anywhere on the planet. Trust me, we've tried everything and everyone.
Now, we have a missile to stop. When you're ready, commence the briefing for Operation Dead City.